Hello folks, it's Phil, Jim's Motors in Cuba, Missouri. What we're looking at here today is a nice used Bison Premier 2016 model with a slide. It's equipped with a big power awning, aluminum wheels, like new tires, a rear load ramp, rear collapsible tack with a swing out saddle rack. It's got drops on the head, storage below the mangers. And the enclosed nose. This trailer's like new. It's been lightly used. You got a bar to the left of the entry door. Got the stools up here in the bunk. Double entry bunk, entertainment center, nice large bunk, complete with TV, nightstands. Got a big dinette and a slide, 6 cubic foot fridge, dual sinks, big convection microwave. It's got a really big bathroom in it, sink and vanity, stool, nice big corner enclosure, walk-in closet. Ducted heat and air. Soft touch ceilings. For more information on this trailer, give us a call here at Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. Thank you and have a good day.